Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Drive to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and our tips. From here we just go into general, then to connect apps. Then the app is going to load and redirect us to the Slack app directory. Then we just scroll down, find the daily tools section, tap on Google Drive. The app is going to load again, but after it is done, we can just tap on Add to Slack, thereby adding it to our workspace. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.